Salt of my atsara on the top right hand side na aking gagamitin sa aming mga tocino tapsilog order. And that's about 30 orders all together. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, ito yung ating mga vegetables na gagamitin for our atsara or pickled vegetables. It's not much on it, but it depends what choices you wanted. Just wash it, rinse it, and make sure, especially the carrots and onions, been washed properly. And you can add some papaya as well if you want it, guys. But for me, there's no papaya at the moment. I can't get it anywhere. If I get one, maybe it's gonna be too expensive. So I'll just be happy with this. That's it. So here it comes. They're all washed, been cleaned. So ito na yung ating mga vegetables. But in here I have some raisin, sugar here, salt, and peppercorn. You know, when you're cooking this one, it's your own really choice of what you want to put with this pickled. So this is all my vegetable now, cut on the desired shape that I wanted. So some of them I cut it into small, some of them are big, long, so that all there's a texture when you're eating it. And I'll tell you, with a combination of the pickled and the atsara, or the atsara I mean, it's amazing. This just only like simple steps. Here's my vinegar, so I have 2.5 cups for this one, sugar, and about 2 tablespoons of what do you call this one, salt, and the sugar. It's up to you guys, but I want mine sweet and sour taste. You can add more or less with your sugar. Let them dissolve all together. Once it dissolves, but you need to cook this in a very low heat. Okay, add your peppercorn. I like so much peppercorn, and raisin or sultanas, that will give more of this sweetness. And that's your ginger, garlic. Usually I don't stir that much, but this time I totally forget that my sugar is not truly mixed. So that's it. Once it boiled, set it aside and then start adding the rest of your vegetable, and you can have it simmer for a really low fire, and that's it. Add the rest, especially the pepper, string beans. Put them last. I usually put them last, and sometimes I do a little bit of boiling for my beans on a separate pot, especially when they're a bit hard. And then that's it. You just mix them all together until they're all blended very well, and then you just put it on the side, let it cool down. Some people put it straight on the jar, but my jar is already been cleaned and sterilized, so don't need it. Thank you for watching. This is Lorena Shasiko. Bye.